Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special in store for all the health-conscious foodies out there. We're diving into the world of low-carb recipes for a quick and easy meal. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds while keeping your carb intake in check. Let's get cooking. Segment 1. Zucchini Noodle Stir Fry. Our first recipe is a game-changer for pasta lovers. Say hello to Zucchini Noodle Stir Fry. It's a fantastic low-carb alternative that's packed with flavor. Here's what you'll need. 2 medium-sized zucchinis spiralized, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, 1 tablespoon low-sodium soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Heat up the olive oil in a pan and sauté the minced garlic until fragrant. Add the mixed vegetables and stir-fry for a few minutes. Then, toss in the zucchini noodles and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Finish it off with a drizzle of low-sodium soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Voila! A delicious low-carb stir-fry ready in no time. Segment 2. Cauliflower crust pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? But if you're watching your carb intake, traditional pizza crust can be a no-go. Fear not, because we have a solution. Cauliflower crust pizza. Here's what you'll need. 1 medium-sized cauliflower head, grated. 1 egg, ½ cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Your favorite pizza toppings, tomato sauce, cheese, veggies, etc. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Steam the grated cauliflower until tender, then squeeze out any excess moisture using a clean kitchen towel. In a bowl, combine the cauliflower, egg, shredded mozzarella cheese, and dried oregano. Mix well and shape the dough into a pizza crust on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Once it's done, add your favorite pizza toppings like tomato sauce, cheese, and veggies. Pop it back into the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Slice it up and enjoy guilt-free pizza. Goodness! Segment 3. Chicken lettuce wraps. For a light and refreshing low-carb meal, we have chicken lettuce wraps. They're perfect for a quick lunch or dinner option. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound ground chicken, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon ginger grated, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Lettuce leaves for wrapping, optional toppings. Chopped green onions, shredded carrots, chopped peanuts. Heat up the sesame oil in a pan and sauté the minced garlic and grated ginger until fragrant. Add the ground chicken and cook until browned. In a small bowl, whisk together the low-sodium soy sauce, rice vinegar, and honey, if using. Pour the sauce over the cooked chicken and stir well. Simmer for a few minutes until the flavors meld together. Serve the chicken mixture in lettuce leaves and top with your favorite toppings. These lettuce wraps are bursting with flavor and low in carbs. And there you have it, folks. 3 fantastic low-carb recipes for a quick and easy meal. Whether you're looking to cut back on carbs or just want to try something new, these recipes are sure to satisfy your cravings. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing taste. Stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious recipes on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a mouth-watering video. Until next time, happy cooking!